is there anything y'all want to say to the people at LUTV?
No.
Either of y'all, do y'all have anything y'all want to say to the people at LUTV?
For the people of the past and the people of the future, I really appreciate every skill and opportunity that you have bestowed in me and every bond that you have built with me. The last couple of months has been really tough because I know that bond's about, that I'm going to have to leave that bond. And so, but like Khalaya said, who you come into this university with and who you go out with may not be the same people, but when you build those connections and those bonds, they stick with you for life. And so I appreciate you.
Is there anything you want to say before we wrap up?
I'll just say that from the former students that I know and the ones that are here now, our relationship doesn't end here. I'm always a phone call or a text away.
Are you sure, Khalaya? There's nothing you want to say?
I'm gonna miss you.
Okay. Well, we're going to miss y'all too, and we love y'all.